Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to uninstall Google Play Store on your Android device and reinstall it. Now, a very important thing for you to know before we start this tutorial is that on newer versions of Android, like I am using now, you can't really uninstall Google Play Store. You can do that on the older versions. So if you have an older version of Google Play Store, then you can do it. But on the newer versions, you can't really do that. So for the older versions, you just have to go to your Play Store and then hold it, and then here you will find an uninstall button, which is again for the older versions. But for the newer ones, which is like 99% of the users of Android devices now, it should have this settings button. So go to settings and then go to apps. So as you can see here, this is the apps section. Scroll down a bit until you find the Google Play Store. Click on it, and then you can either disable it or force stop it. So if you disable the app, it won't work, but you can't uninstall it, okay? So of course, if you disable the app, all the data would be removed. So click on OK, and here if you want to re-enable it again, just click on it. Now, why I showed you this method, it's because most problems where people want to uninstall Google Play Store are related to corrupted data or problems with the Play Store. So basically, this disabling thing will be like if you have uninstalled Google Play Store. It won't be exactly the same, but it's essentially the solution for many problems that you may encounter that lead you to uninstall Google Play Store. So that's it. Now you can also, if you have the older version again, so you have uninstalled it, you can go to Google and then, so here I don't have Google on this device, but you can go to, for example, Chrome and then type Google Play Store install. So let's click on the search bar and then here type Google Play Store download for Android, for example. Click on it and you will find many searches. So just click on Google Play on Android and you'll be good. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.